Today's Bible verse comes from Isaiah chapter 43 verses 18 to 19, King James Version. Remember ye not the former things, neither consider the things of old. Behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall ye not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. Isaiah 43:18 to 19 encourages people to move forward and embrace God's new plans rather than dwelling on the past. It emphasizes that God is actively creating new possibilities and invites people to recognize and participate in His forward moving intentions. The verses suggest realizing the hold of past mistakes and the disappointments to trust in God's ability to bring new life where there was once brokenness. In essence, Isaiah 43:18 to 19 is a message of hope and encouragement, urging people to trust in God's new plans and move forward with confidence, knowing that He is always doing something new and will make a way in the most challenging circumstances. Amen.